Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we own our find my device in our Samsung phone. Guys you want to own guys find my device so as you can own it, and guys now let's see how to own find my device in our Samsung phone. In this video guys I am going to show you friend. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends now time to start video. So friends first of all guys we will on our phone setting to on find my device. Then guys scroll it. As you can see guys your biometrics and security setting. So we will tap here. Then guys scroll it. Then guys you can see find my device means guys find my mobile means guys find my device. So I tap here. Then as you can see guys this notification. So as you want to on, so as you can on from here. My Wi-Fi connection when it's showing. So you will have to connect Wi-Fi. So as now we will connect Wi-Fi to on find my device. So friends I have this Wi-Fi, so I will enter my password. So then we will connect Wi-Fi. Then guys come back. Then guys you can see. Then guys you can use. And guys it's showing guys email or phone number. Sign into your Samsung account. So as you can sign up, and guys after guys you can on, and guys you can use your find my device means find my mobile setting in your Samsung phone. So I hope friends you have understood. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching our video guys. Now we will meet on next video, and guys you want to off. So guys again come here, and guys will find my device is on. So as you can off from here after that it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video guys, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.